Good afternoon, all.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Last class we discussed about money and we write the money in words and figures. Are you remembering?
Yes.
Money can be written in rupees and paisa separated by a
Dot.
before the dot it will be rupees and after the dot it will be paisa. And today we are going to discuss addition of money. It's very simple. No need of regrouping and all. Directly we are adding. Okay. So please listen. No need to write now. Please listen here. Let me share the screen. Addition of money. So money can be written in rupees and paisa. So let's see one example. Okay. And here we have the first one. Rupees 45.50 and rupees 32 and 20. So the first one, 45 rupees 50 paisa, 32 rupees 20 paisa. So what is the first step? We will write these rupees and paisa in two columns. Okay. Now let's write rupees paisa. So the first amount it is 45 rupees 50 paisa. So let's write the first one, 45 rupees, then the dot, okay, then 50 paisa. Then the second one, 32 rupees point 20 paisa. So when we are writing these rupees and paisa, rupees will be in same columns, paisa is also in same columns, and that dot should be also in down means one below the other. Okay, if you are writing like this, see 45 rupees 50 paisa, then we are writing 32. This is wrong. Okay, we cannot add this. When we are writing rupees and paisa, we should arrange it properly. Okay, all rupees in one means in same columns and paisa in paisa's columns. So then we can add. Then we can start from the right side. See 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 2, it's 7. Then the dot, 5 plus 2, we can move to the rupees. 5 plus 2, it's 7. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So we can read this 77 rupees 70 paisa. Very simple. Okay, here we are not regrouping anything. Directly we are adding. So rupees and paisa. So when you are writing this rupees and paisa, you should be very careful. So dot should come, what we can say, one below the other. Okay. So before the dot, it should be rupees. After the dot, it is paisa. So paisas in same columns, rupees in same columns, dot also should be in same columns. So let us see another one. Okay, one more we can see. Rupees 87.22 plus rupees 77 paisa. So let's write this in columns. The first one, let's write here rupees. Here we can write paisa. Then the first one, 87 rupees 22 paisa. And the second one, 12 rupees 77 paisa. Let's add. Now, 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. Again, 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. Then the dot, 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. That means 99 rupees 99 paisa. Is it clear to you all how to add the money? When we add the money, we should be very careful. It's very simple, but you have to write the rupees and paisa properly. Okay?
Okay.
Now you can take a notebook.
Shall we write?
Please take a notebook. Please take a notebook, all of you. We have to arrange rupees and paisa in 2 columns. Then add the rupees, add the paisa also. So we can start from the paisa, then we can move to the rupees. So please take a notebook, take a fresh page. Let's add.
First we want to add paisa.
Yes.
Rupee.
Then we can move to rupee. Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes.
We want to take fresh page.
Yeah, you can take a fresh page. Now at the top you can write addition of money. ADDITION of money.
Addition of money.
Yes.
What is the first? Addition of money.
Addition of money.
Shut down. One is now.
So here we have the first question. A. Rupees 45 rupees 50 paisa. 45 rupees 50 paisa and 32 rupees 20 paisa. 45 rupees 50 paisa, 32 rupees 20 paisa. The first step, arrange rupees and paisa in 2 columns. ₹45 50 paisa, 32 rupees 20 paisa.
Next, what have to do?
Let's write the answer. So first of all, we can put a rupees here. Then you can leave 2 columns. 2 boxes you can leave, then you can write P. P for paisa. Then we can write the first rupees, that is 45 rupees. Then we can put dot 50 paisa. Then the next one, 32 rupees dot 20 paisa. Let's add. We can start from paisa. 0 plus 0, 0.
Answer is 77.
Okay. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Then we can put dot. Then we can come to rupees. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So the answer is 77 rupees 70 paisa.
Ma'am, you want to write this?
I will give you another question.
Ma'am, we want to write this. Ma'am, please wait. Ma'am, we want to write this.
Yeah, you have to write.
Ma'am, what is the question?
Let me write B.
Yes.
Everyone completed the first one. Let me go to B.
Yes. No.
Okay, please write. Please write, Wilfred. Please write.
Yeah.
Ma'am, Karthik complete.
Okay, good.
Ma'am, can you please write just a question?
I will write. Once more.
Ma'am, can you please wait for me? Ma'am, please wait for me.
Please write. We just started only.
Ma'am, what is this? Explain once more.
Yes.
Can you explain once more?
Okay, please listen. Those who join late, please listen here. Today we are discussing addition of money. Okay, here you can see rupees 45 or 45 rupees 50 paisa and 32 rupees 20 paisa. So when we are adding rupees and paisa, the first step we have to arrange rupees and paisa in two columns. Okay. Here you can see rupees symbol, paisa symbol. So below rupees symbol, you can write how many rupees. The first one, 45 rupees. Then you can see the dot. Then paisa, 50 paisa. Then below the first one, we can write the second one. That is 32 rupees. Then the dot, then 20 paisa. Dot come in same column. Then we can start from the paisa. So 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 2, 7. Then the dot. 5 plus 2, 7. 4 plus 3, 7. So the total money, 77 rupees, 70 paisa. Now let's move to B.
Finish.
Okay, let's move to B. Here the question is, you can do by yourself. I will give you the question. Rupees 21 rupees 55 paisa. Sorry, 21 rupees 25 paisa plus 42 rupees 23 paisa. Please add.
Please say once more.
21 rupees 21 paisa 25 paisa. 21 rupees 25 paisa. The second one, 42 rupees 23 paisa. 42 rupees 23 paisa. Please add.
45. Paisa plus. Ma'am, can you say once more?
21 rupees 25 paisa.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Ritika.
Ma'am, should we write and or plus?
No problem. You can write and or you can write plus because it is already written on top addition of money. So we have to add it.
Ma'am, the answer is 63 rupees.
63 rupees.
48 paisa.
Yes, 48 paisa. Okay. Now let's see the answer. We can write the symbol rupees, leave 2 boxes, then you can write P. P for paise. P-A-I-S-A. Paisa is singular. P-A-I-S-E. Paise is plural. Now here the first one. 21.25. The second one.
Ma'am, the answer is
Dot
623.
23 paisa. Now let's add. Now we can start from paisa. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Then we can put a dot. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6.
Ma'am, the answer is 63 rupees and 48 paisa.
Yes, 63 rupees, 48 paisa.
63 rupees and 48 paisa.
Okay, 63 rupees, 48 paisa. All of you got the same answer. Let's move to C.
Yes. No.
Okay, please write Parvati. Parvati, complete it.
Also. Evelyn also have to complete.
Okay, Evelyn, complete it. Okay, Karthik, good.
Then what is the C question?
Question C, I will write. Some are still writing. Let them complete.
Finish.
Okay. What about Evelyn?
Finish.
Evelyn, right?
She finished and give some tough questions.
Yes, Krishna?
Give some tough questions.
Okay. Let's start from the simple. Then we can move to tough.
Okay, ma'am. What is the C question, ma'am?
I will write. Wait. See, here we have no regrouping, my dear. So, not tough, I think.
But 3-digit.
3-digit, no, it's not for you. That's why. 3-digit is not there, Krishna. See, you have enough problems in the workbook. Practice problems are there, no, Krishna? There you can see. So whenever you will get the time, you please go through that. Okay. Now let's move to C. Parvati, let's move to C. Evelyn, did you complete?
It. Yes.
Okay. So C. C we have 27 rupees. 17 paisa plus 12 rupees. 12 paisa.
27 rupees.
27 rupees, 17 paisa. 27 rupees, 17 paise. Then 12 rupees, 12 paise. Both are 12. Rupees and paisa, both are same number. 12 itself. Now you please add.
Ma'am, the answer is Ma'am, the answer is 39 rupee and 29 paisa.
Yes, 39 rupees 29 paisa. So let's write the answer together. So here we have the answer.
Ma'am, I am writing the question of
Evelyn, you have to be fast. See, you are in second standard. Now, after 2-3 months, you will move to third standard. So you have to be a little more fast, Evelyn.
I have completed already.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Good.
Completed.
Okay, now you please listen here. Rupees, then paisa. So the first one here we have 27 rupees.
I cannot see the board.
If you're not facing network issue, that's why. 27 rupees 17 paisa. The second one, 12 rupees 12 paisa. Now let's add. Jennifer, you got the answer? Jennifer, you got the answer?
I am right.
Yes?
I am writing.
Ah, okay, right. Find out the answer and tell me answer.
1, 2, 3. And the answer is 29 paise.
Very good. 39 rupees 29 paisa.
2.
Can you got the answer?
I got answer.
Ah, okay, good. Karthik, what's the answer?
I got answer. The answer is
39 rupees 29 paisa. Let's start with the paisa. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Put a dot. 7 plus 2, 9. 2 plus 1, 3. So 39 rupees 29 paisa. Let's move to D.
Ma'am, what is the next?
Mother, you got the answer?
Ma'am, what is the next question?
Jennifer, you got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So let's move to D.
Yes.
35 rupees. 35 rupees dot 88 paise plus 12 rupees 11 paise. Please add. 35 rupees 88 paise. 12 rupees 11 paise. Mother, did you write the question and answer? Mother, are you writing? Please write the question and answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Ah, okay, 47 rupees 99 paise. Evelyn, you got the answer?
I am writing the answer, ma'am.
Okay, write the answer and tell me what's the answer.
47 rupee
47?
47 rupees plus 99
47 rupees 99. Arav, please turn on your video.
Ma'am, what is the E question?
Question I will tell. So let's complete this answer here.
Ma'am, the answer is 47.99
rupees paise. Now the first one, 35 rupees dot 88 paise. Second one, 12 rupees 11 paise. Let's add. Starting with the paisa. 8 plus 1, 9. Again 8 plus 1, 9. Dot 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 47 rupees 99 paise.
And I cannot see the board.
You cannot see the board.
Ma'am,
You are facing network issue. That's why you can't see the board.
ma'am, please write the E question.
So one more addition, then we'll move to subtraction. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Because addition is easy, no?
Yes.
So one more question. One more addition question. Rupees 87 rupees 22 paise plus 12 rupees 77 paise.
Ma'am, only E question.
Only E. Only up to E. Addition only 5 questions. Means up to E. Then we can move to subtraction. It's the same procedure. We will subtract, that's all. There also no regrouping or nothing. We will directly add that. So directly subtract the numbers.
Ma'am, what is the question?
Question E, we have 87 rupees 22 paise. 87 rupees 22 paise plus 12 rupees 77 paise. 12 rupees 77 paise.
Ma'am, the answer is 99 rupee and 99 paisa.
Okay, good.
The answer is 99 rupees 99 paise.
Okay, good, Krishna. Good, good. Very good.
Hello, ma'am.
So let's write the answer.
What is the
So here we have the answer.
Ma'am, the answer is 99 rupees and 99 paisa.
Yes, 87 rupees 22 paise. 12 rupees 77 paise. 7 plus 2, 9. Again 7 plus 2, 9. Here 7 plus 2, 9. 8 plus 1, 9. So 99 rupees 99 paise.
Ma'am, can you give 4 more questions?
Then I will give you minus. That's better, no?
Yes, for
Yes.
subtraction.
See, minus, nothing special or nothing special here. We will subtract the numbers. That's all.
Ma'am, the answer is 99.99. Like
Yes.
addition?
Yeah,
Like
yes.
Ma'am, the next math day is a subtraction of money or
We will start today, no? Let's start one question today.
Yes.
Then I can give you 2 more questions for doing, no?
Ma'am, what is the questions? 4 more questions.
See, what about others? All of you have completed. Let's move to subtraction.
Yes,
What about Parvati? Evelyn, Christy?
I completed. Yes, ma'am.
History completed?
Lots of time to write. No, ma'am.
Okay. Parvati, let's move to subtraction.
Yes.
Money?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Evelyn, right.
Speed up.
Then we can start subtraction next day. See, we have only 4 more minutes. See, Evelyn,
Ma'am, can you give one question?
one more addition you want?
No, subtraction.
Then you can take a new page and you can write at the top subtraction of money.
I wrote that. Ma'am, what is the spelling of subtraction?
Subtract.
Ma'am,
Sub.
repeat.
So what will come? Sub.
S-U.
S-U. Tract. T-R-A-C-T. I-O-N. Subtraction of money.
We only need to write the heading.
You have to write the heading. Write the heading. Subtraction of money.
Ma'am, what is the first question?
I will write. Wait. Let me ask those students, Evelyn, did you complete the addition?
I have some space, so I can write the heading.
Evelyn, did you complete addition?
Yes, in the
Yes.
same page.
No, you can take another page. That's better. No, it's another topic, so you can take another page. Let's continue in the next class, subtraction of money. Is it okay?
Okay.
Alvin Benny is present.
Absent.
Anay,
Present means Arnav present.
Anay, not Arnav. Anay.
Ma'am, Arnav present.
Okay. Please listen to my question. Okay. I want to know Anay. Anay is present or not? That's only. Anay, if Anay will be there, he will say. Please, others, please be good. Bhagishree, are you present, Bhagishree?
Absent. Absent.
Okay. Then I want to know Hisan Aurin.
Absent.
Hisan Aurin is not there. Kashyap.
Absent.
Then I want to know Siddhi Vinayak.
Absent. Absent.
Okay. Then Tirtha.
Absent. Absent. Absent.
Tom Saji, the last one. Tom Saji, are you there?
Absent.
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 All others are present. All others are present. Okay. All others are present. So subtraction of money, we will discuss tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
It's very easy. No addition of money.
Yes.
Subtraction is also very easy. For you people, it's very less. For third standard, you have to do more 3-digit numbers and all will come. Okay. So thank you for joining. Bye. See you tomorrow.
Bye.